I'm a structural engineer. Work out of the Launceston office. I graduated from University of Tasmania with a civil engineering degree about 12 years ago, and started my work straight out of uni with pitt&sherry. So about 12 years with pitt&sherry, and I work in the structural space in the Launceston office, and predominantly working in industrial infrastructure, but do some commercial and residential structural design as well.
So can you explain sort of a typical day for you?
So for me, a typical day is varied. So there is no one typical day, because the expectations of us is that we will not just sit down and do calculations, but we will engage with clients, that we will manage clients, we will write up proposals, meet with clients for project briefings. We'll also do the design, the calculations, the site visits, inspections. We'll send out the deliverables, and maybe even right down to invoicing and project closeout. So we're involved in the entire life cycle of a lot of projects. So that means that not one day is always the same as the next. The tasks that we have to do are so varied that our day-to-day work is very different.
Great. And can you explain a little bit about the culture in the Launceston office and what it's like to work at pitt&sherry?
So for me, the best thing about the culture within pitt&sherry, not so much just Launceston, but is the availability for flexible working. So I work 4 days a week and flex my time around some family commitments. But there is still obviously that expectation that you'll do what you need to do to service your clients and complete your deliverables. So whilst it is flexible, there is still that expectation that you'll do what you need to do to achieve to complete your work and achieve the outcomes for your clients. So flexibility and work-life balance, the ability to work from home if needed. And we do have a good little group in Launceston, a good culture, good teamwork, and we all get along quite well.
Great. Do you think some of the things that might be changed, we need to change to address some of the issues and concerns going forward?
So there is a lot of new and innovative products and materials being suggested and presented by clients. So we need to be more able to adapt to those different products and materials. We need to be able to adapt to using those, designing with those, specifying them, such that we are providing something to the client that they are happy with, but also that we can do that work in a cost-effective manner. So we need to ensure that we're constantly keeping our skills and knowledge up to current expectations and products that are available. So there is a push for innovation.
And knowing what you know now after being at pitt&sherry for over a decade, what would you say to the new starter at pitt&sherry? What's some advice you could give?
I'd say don't hold back from asking questions. Certainly when you come out of uni, although you've got an engineering degree, it doesn't necessarily mean that you come out with all the knowledge that's required to complete your job, to do the calculations or the design or the project management. So ask questions. First few years of your career there'll be a lot of growth in your knowledge and understanding. So don't expect to know everything, and certainly Pitt and Sherry, they understand that that there is that growth phase. So don't be concerned that you come out without all the knowledge. You come out with a good backbone of information from university, but ask questions. Never stop asking questions.
Great. Thanks, Daniel. I really appreciate your time.
No worries. Thank you.